Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I am going to be teaching you how brokers affect your trading and everything you need to know about brokers, what they do, how they operate, what are they not supposed to do, and how their whole system is structured. I will be telling you everything you need to know about Forex brokers, and I will be giving you my personal recommendations on which brokers to use. Let's get into it. Now, before I get into my understanding of the concept, I like to look at the Google definition of whatever concept we are analyzing. So I searched what is a Forex broker on Google, and Google said a Forex broker is a financial services company that provides traders access to a platform for buying and selling foreign exchange currencies. Forex is short for foreign exchange. Transactions in the Forex market are always between a pair of two different currencies. Now, that is the textbook definition of a Forex broker. Let me give you my understanding of a Forex broker. Now, in Forex, there is you, the broker, and the market. You must think of the Forex broker as a middleman. You must think of him as the messenger, where when you buy, you hand over your buy to the broker, and the broker puts your buy into the market. So your broker is the middleman. He is going to provide you with the services that are going to connect you to the global Forex markets. That is the very simple definition of Forex broker. Basically, the man in the middle, the man that connects you to the markets. So let's get into broker manipulation. Point number 1, slow executions. So has this ever happened to you where you see a nice setup and you are ready to hop on it, but the screen is just taking way too long to load? That is not an accident, guys. It is not the Wi-Fi, it is not your data, it is the broker. They will do this especially if your setup is valid. If they see that your setup is more likely to be correct, they will try and sabotage you by providing you with slow executions, usually in a form of codes. You will press the button and then it will load for a good minute, and then it will give you a tab of off codes, and you will end up not being able to enter. Number 2, stop loss manipulation and spreads. I think it is more appropriate for me to add stop loss manipulations and spreads because they go hand in hand. So what am I saying in point number 2? I am saying that, let's say you have your buy order. Let me draw it for you, where here is your buy order. Since it's a buy, I'll represent it in blue. You have your buy order, and then you have your stop loss right over here, and then you have your price. It is moving normally, the way price always moves. And then when price gets closer to your stop loss, your broker might increase the spreads just to take you out. So let's say these are your spreads, and then you're out of the market, you've been taken out. So this distance has been increased, meanwhile the normal broker spread for that particular broker may be something like this, but because the price is closer to your stop loss, they will increase it to something like this, so they can stop you out and take your money. So they will increase it to something like this. So that's what I meant when I said stop losses and spreads, they go hand in hand. So they will do this to get your money and to sabotage you. So let's move on to point number 3, which is take profit manipulation. Let me have that same analogy here, where I have a buy. I'll represent it in blue. I have a buy, and then I have my take profit. I'll represent it in green. I have my take profit right here, and then this is what might end up happening. Price will be moving as normal, guys. Price will be moving as normal, and then it's going in your direction. You're winning, and then what some brokers might do, when the price goes above your stop loss, your take profit, they might not take you out, they might keep you in that trade. So the proper way of a normal broker using a take profit might be, or is supposed to be, like this, where immediately price touches your take profit, you're out of the markets. But in broker manipulation, specifically in take profit manipulation, the price will be going normally, and then it simply does not take you out of the markets. So that is take profit manipulation. Now, point number 4 is buy limit and sell limit manipulation. It is the exact same thing with take profit manipulation, where you set a buy limit. Here is it in blue. You have your buy limit, and then you expect the price to buy past that buy limit. So, and then in a normal broker, this is what's going to happen. Immediately price touches that buy limit, you will be put in a buy immediately. Now the price is here, it has touched the limit, you are immediately in a buy. But in broker manipulation, specifically buy limit and sell limit manipulation, you will have your buy limit set right here, and they will do this if they feel like you are right. Most of the time, if they feel like you are right, then this is the price, it's moving, and they simply do not execute your limit. Opposite is true for your sell limit. I will represent it in red. You have your sell limit right here, price is moving as usual, and then they simply do not execute your sell limit. In a normal broker, in a normal situation where there is no market manipulation present, this is what's going to happen. Immediately the price touches the limit, the broker will automatically open a sell. But that is not the case, as I showed before, if there is market manipulation present. Manipulation number 5 is false money management. Now, this one, I've had a lot of experiences with this one, especially with IFX brokers when I'm trading indices. This is what they'll do, guys. In a normal broker environment where there is no market manipulation present, let's say I have a sell limit, right? I'll put it right here in the middle. This is my sell limit. In a normal environment, this is what needs to happen. Let's say this is price right now, and then it goes up a little bit, and then at this level right here it's negative let's say 20, right? So the market is against me, but let's say it reverses down this same distance from here to here, the same distance, it's supposed to be positive 20. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So from here to here, it is the same distance, and from here to here, it is the same distance. So it is supposed to be negative 20, the same amount because of the same distance. In profits, it's also supposed to be positive 20 because it is in profits. The opposite is true for your buy situation. And guys, this is in normal market environment where there is no market manipulation present. So you have your buy limit, and then here's how the market moves. Let's say it goes down, and then from here to here, this distance is negative 15 because you bought and the price is below your buy, so it is going against you. But if, let's say, from here to here, the market decides to reverse up, and it is the same distance, guys, it's supposed to be positive 15. Now that is the normal market environment. Let me show you what they do when they manipulate the markets. So let me leave the buy scenario there. So this is what they do, guys. You have your buy, let me draw it for you. You have your buy order right here. So I have bought, and then the market goes against me, and I am here, right? I'm currently here, and then from my limit to this point, let's say it's negative 50 because I am in a buy, so it's going to be negative 50. But the market decides to start going up, and then the same distance from here to here ends up being positive 16. Do you understand what I'm trying to say, guys? So in the negative, the loss is more, but for that same distance, in the positive side, the profit is less. So true is same for your sell. So this is how they manipulate the market in the sell scenario, where you have your sell order here. Let me draw it nicely for you. So you have your sell order, and then what they'll do to manipulate the market is from here to here. Yeah, guys, from here to here, it's from this distance, it's negative, let's see, negative 63, right? And then from that very same distance in the profit side, from here to here, let's see, it's positive 21. So that is the market manipulation you will get. That is the money management manipulation you'll get. So when you're in profits, the broker allocates less money to your accounts, but when you're in loss, they take away more money from your account. So that is your money management manipulation. So let me do like this. So you may ask yourself, why does the broker manipulate us? Why do they do this? All these points, your slow execution, stop loss and spread, TP manipulation, buy limit and sell limit manipulation, false money manipulation, why do they do this, guys? You may have that question, and the simple answer to that question is they simply do not care about us. They don't care about us, the traders. I know they will, on their trading website, they will put the best customer care services, or your convenience is our priority. They will do that for marketing purposes. They will do that so you can put your money in their broker, which makes them more money. But they do not genuinely care about us. They care about our money. You can't even blame them, because we as traders, we don't care about the broker. We don't care about the broker at all. We need them. That's the key word right there. We need them to connect us to the markets so we can get our money from the markets. So they do this so they can make more money, because they simply do not care about us. But there is a way to avoid this. How do you avoid this? Well, it's to use regulated brokers. The word regulated means it is protected. It means it is a financial services that inspect brokers to make sure that they are not manipulating us. But let me tell you right now, guys, even with regulated brokers, broker manipulation might still be present, but not extreme. So with a regulated broker, you won't wake up one day and your money will not be there. But with an unregulated broker, that is possible. It is possible. But they can still manipulate your orders with a regulated broker, but it won't be extreme, right? So it's all about choosing the right broker, guys. So let me give you an example of one of the brokers that I use is Exness. So if you're looking into a broker, I recommend you search about that broker and ask the internet if that broker is regulated. So if I go to Exness, right, and ask them if they are regulated, you'll see all the information. So for example, if I can show you here, it says Exness CY Ltd is a Cyprus investment firm authorized and regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, right? So this broker is regulated. Only trade with regulated brokers, guys. Only trade with the regulated brokers. Now, here are my 2 recommendations for brokers. To be quite honest with you guys, and they are not even paying me anything, I'm just giving you my honest opinion. I have never had a problem with these 2 brokers. Never ever. I've been trading for just below 2 years. Yeah, I've been trading just below 2 years, and I have used many brokers, guys. Trust me when I say this. There is no broker that I am not aware of. I have used multiple Forex brokers in my trading career. So I know most of the brokers out there. And out of all those brokers, I can recommend to you Derive and Exness. I have honestly never had a manipulation when I was trading their accounts. Withdrawal is not a problem. Things are just fast. You'll get your withdrawal the next day or later on that same day. These brokers are just my absolute favorite. Now, as a beginner, I recommend you start with Exness because Derive does not offer ZAR, and it only offers dollars, euro, and AUD. And as a South African, and especially if you're my age, you're a teenager trying to make money trading, it might be more expensive for you to trade with dollars, and you won't have that much space to move. So I recommend you go with Exness. So that is it, guys. That is literally it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you practice this information and write down notes, guys. Write down notes and practice. It is all about experience. Do the hard work, especially. A wise man, that is a very important note I cannot forget. A wise man once said, Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it.